Swept's Scale package is perfect for cleaning businesses that are ready to implement a complete solution for their janitorial operations. Level up communications, build scalable systems, and you've got a mobile command center to run your cleaning company. On the web or in your pocket, Swept simplifies scheduling. Set up recurring shifts or assign cleaners to one-time jobs. Cleaners have their schedule in the palm of their hands and can easily clock in to any location they are assigned to. Stay compliant with labor regulations and ensure your team takes a break and logs that time for payroll accurately. We help you communicate with your clients to provide more visibility and transparency in the work you are doing. Happy customers may ask for one-time services you can easily track in Swept. Swept allows you to easily track your profitability based on cleaning time, unplanned supplies ordered, and one-time work orders. Swept enables you to have an exact audit of time on site, breaks, and travel time to ensure payroll is accurate, saving you time and money. Swept's Scale package lets you build systems that scale and turn your clients into raving fans with a new level of communication and transparency. Your new janitorial command center. Get started today.